On March 21, 2024, Chicago police officers stopped 26-year-old Dexter Reed in his SUV for what they described as a seatbelt violation and heavily tinted windows. After the incident, Chicago's Internal Affairs Division and the Civilian Office of Police Accountability opened an investigation, looking at whether the stop was justified, how the officers approached the vehicle, and if proper procedures were followed. Now, see for yourself how the encounter began.
Roll the windows down.
Roll the window down, man.
Roll the window down. What are you doing?
Roll this one down.
Roll that one down too.
This one down.
Hey, don't roll the window up. Don't roll the window up.
Okay, okay.
Do not roll the window up.
Do not fucking roll
Unlock the doors now.
Open the fucking door.
Unlock the doors now.
Open the fucking door.
Unlock the doors now. Open the door now. Open the door now. Open the door now. Shots fired! Shots fired! Hey! Hey!
Shots fired!
Shots fired!
Shots fired! Police shots fired! Averson Lawndale! Averson Ferdinand! Shots fired! Where's he at? Where's he at?
He's right here. He's good. Hands.
Hey, the EMS here now. Partner's here.
You got me.
My partner's here. I got you. Come on. Squad here now. Partner, there was no officer down.
Fuck. Don't move. Don't move.
Hey, come on. We got it. Hey, we need EMS here now. EMS here now. Come on, man.
Hey, you got us?
Watch us.
Don't fucking move. Do not fucking move. I don't know where the gun is. I don't know where the gun is. Don't move.
We're all good.
Yep. All right, that's where you step it up. Do we have any information on the offender?
Hey, you got us?
Watch us.
Anybody with a kid over there for him?
Do not fucking move. I don't know where the gun is.
We started shooting at him.
Hey, dude. Let go of the gun.
Hold on.
Let go of the gun.
Let
go of the gun. I got this one.
Yes, we have an officer shot.
Fuck, man! He's good. He's only up one of the arm. Come on. Fuck!
You good?
Wait. Fuck!
Fuck, I got it.
Are you hit?
I don't know.
Take it back up. I don't know. We need EMS here now. EMS, we got officer hit. Officer hit.
Yes, you're aware. We have ambulance requested. We need to look for an offender. Let us know. Go ahead.
We got an officer here and officer one male offender down. Where's that? Hey, don't touch nothing. Don't touch nothing.
And you just keep your car to the left and right so you don't get in.
Hey, watch the crowd, watch the crowd. Hey, get them back, get them back. Hey, the fuck back, all of you. Hey, watch this. Hey, so we need EMS here now. I mean, St. Louis got fucking hit, man. Are you good? Yeah, he's good. Are you good? Fuck, man. Yeah, he's off over there. All right. Where's y'all? Right there.
115.
Is this your handgun? Yeah. Okay, it's okay. So shoot us, man. It's okay. Relax.
Relax.
Are you okay?
Why don't you guys just go in the car for right now?
Look at this.
All right, just relax. Just relax.
We're good, we're good.
And let me know how far you want it blocked off.
That's okay.
We have plenty of cars there. Let me know if we can give a slowdown. Again, you just keep the area clear.
There's a couple of them. There's one up here.
1164.
You guys have another chance too?
1164, go ahead. Here, 1164, go ahead, sir. I'm just saying, we're just going to need this ambulance, two of them, all right? One for your son and one for the officer.
You got gloves on, put it on.
Yes, correct, sir. We have requested.
Yeah, it's probably
Do that one too.
All right. Who's got shears on him? Who's got shears? Yes. Watch your hands, watch your hands, watch your hands.
1164. 1164, go ahead, sir. I'm going to need another ambulance for another officer. Okay, not a problem. Not a problem. We'll get them requested. Difficulty breathing, sir?
You're okay. The ambulance is following.
We'll go with that. We'll get them requested, sir. Guys, get this fire engine down over here right now. Get this. Yeah, let's go. All right, units, move out of the way.
Hey.
Do we need any?
Hey.
We can. Let's go all the way to Hamlin for the east. Let's go all the way to what is that down there? Springfield on the west.
At this moment, the female CPD officer asks Dexter Reed, is he okay? Behind the blur, Dexter had a quick gasp.
I know there's plenty of cars over there. Can someone go down there and block it off, please?
Hey.
Move your cars. Move your cars.
Units, move your cars out of the way. We need to fire truck in the ambulance. Get if you can. Units, watch your keys. Try again.
No, he's gone.
Yes, we need it blocked all the way down to the east. We want the Hamlin now, the other end of Springfield. Anybody else over there, move your cars out of the way as possible. So see if they can get through.
The gun's in there.
Where is it?
It's on the seat.
Chicago emergency walkers, do you need police and ambulance? Oh no, there's multiple gunshots. I'll get over there. Thanks. Thank you. He on the ground. You got a fire department turn around. Do y'all got a smoke coming from that car? What is that? Oh my God. Is he shot or? Oh, we're going for a person shot. Yeah. Okay. Oh, I see it now. See it, yeah. Okay, okay. All right, fine.
Chicago emergency bird.
Hello?
Hi, 911.
Yes, I want to report shots fired at about 43.
About 43 shots?
Yes.
Okay, did you see anything else?
No.
Okay, all right, no, did you hear anything else?
No, I didn't.
All right, want to leave your name?
No.
All right, I'll notify police.
All right, thanks.
Thank you.
Emergency Alba.
Yes, we have a shooting on Avis in Ferdinand.
How many shots
It's
did you get?
like they're having a Vietnam War.
Understandable. Let me go ahead. Actually, I just the officers already on scene, okay?
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
All right.
As frightened residents flood the dispatchers with calls, hundreds of officers arrive on scene for crowd control. After the shooting stopped, officers realized 3 of their partners had been wounded during the exchange. This block would soon become the focus of a major investigation involving the Chicago Police Department and the Civilian Office of Police Accountability.
What?
It's in here?
It's right there.
Okay.
It's right there.
Okay, we also need an ambulance for the offender.
Don't touch nothing. It's right there.
It's right there.
Units, keep your
It's
cars
right
to
there.
the left
It's
and the
right
right
there.
so the ambulance can get in for the officers.
Okay, just
Hey, get back! Get back!
35 West Ferdinand, that's where shots over seen there.
Get back! Get back! Get back!
Units, keep your cars to the left and to the right. Leave it through path for the ambulance so you can get in, please.
11:15.
11:15, go ahead. Unit, keep the cars open on for an empty second. Yes, fire is en route. We have one for the officer, and we just requested one for the offender.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Hey, that car gonna blow up. Y'all need to get that off the hood.
Move down, dog.
5421, can we get some tape out here?
Hey, that bitch gonna blow up. It's
Alright,
wicked
10-4,
hard.
let me tell you got some tape.
Y'all need to get back.
Hey, we need y'all to get back, dog.
Hey, yo, see this way.
11:10, anybody else have some tape out there? 11:20, you got any tape? You head over there.
Yeah, 20, but I'm a block away. I got some.
Alright, 10-4, let me know how far you want it blocked off.
Let's go,
We have
man.
plenty of cars there. Let me know if we can give a slowdown. Again, you just keep the area clear.
1164.
11:64, go ahead. Oh, here, watch your keys. 64, go ahead, sir.
I'm seeing we just need this ambulance. Two of them, all right? One for the offender, one for the officer.
Yes, correct, sir. We have them requested.
They just chase this dumb ass. This stupid. Stupid as shit. Stupid as shit.
I ain't got no tape, no.
1164.
11:64, go ahead, sir.
Huh?
Spot up.
This
I'm gonna
Springfield,
need another ambulance for another officer.
Okay, not a problem. Not a problem. We'll get them requested. Difficulty breathing, sir? We'll go with that. We'll get them requested, sir.
Guys, get this fire engine down over here right now. Get this. Yeah, let's go.
Alright, units, move out of the way. Do we need any?
We can. Let's go all the way to Hamlin for the east. Let's go all the way to...
In the end, the exchange of gunfire lasted only moments, leaving 3 officers injured and 26-year-old Dexter Reed fatally wounded. The incident triggered full investigations by COPA and the Cook County State's attorney, who later declined to bring criminal charges against the officers involved. Reed's family filed a federal civil lawsuit, and the case quickly became one of Chicago's most widely discussed police shootings of the year. The questions raised about traffic stop tactics, officer identification, and rapid escalation continue to shape public conversations today.
Units, watch your keys. Try again.
If you want a breakdown of the full COPA report, tell me, and I'll cover it in another video.